Hey guys, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something a little bit different. We're going to be talking about social media, videos, editing. I get a ton of questions about editing software and what I use to edit my videos for YouTube and Instagram and all of that. So I wanted to sit down and talk to you a little bit about that because I have some answers for you guys. I actually partnered with Adobe for the launch of their new editing program called Adobe Rush, and I was lucky enough to be able to test it out for the past couple of months and really use it in my day-to-day routine and use it in some of my videos on Instagram and YouTube and all of that. And I wanted to pass on the knowledge to you guys and tell you all about it because I've been loving it recently and it's really made my life a lot easier. So hopefully this video helps you out a little. I definitely picked up a couple of tips and tricks here and there as I've been testing out the program. It is actually officially out, so if you guys want to try Adobe Rush for yourself, I'm going to leave the details in the description box below. But anyways, let's get started. So I'm going to be focusing on editing videos for social media like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, all of those platforms. And the reason why is because Adobe Rush, the program, was actually made with online video creators in mind. I know that a lot of you guys out there like me make videos on Instagram, YouTube, so this program will be perfect for you because it's literally tailored for that. And there's a lot of different features that make your life so much easier. Trust me, it's life-changing. One of my favorite features on Adobe Rush, and the one that I've been using the most frequently, is the ability to change the video orientation. Any of you guys who make videos know that it can get really confusing with all of the social media platforms nowadays because each platform has its own video requirements and dimensions, and it can get really confusing. And in the past, on my old editing software, I would have to create a bunch of different projects and events in order to resize the video, and it would just become a jumbled up mess. But with Adobe Rush, you can actually easily change the orientation of the video with the click of a button. It actually is built right into it, and you can do it right in that event, so you don't need to make multiple duplicates of events. They have square, they have portrait, they have landscape, which is really awesome. So for YouTube, obviously I'll edit it landscape, and then I can easily just click the button and turn it into a square, which is what I'll post on my Instagram and Facebook. And for something like IGTV, you can easily change it to portrait as well. I find the interface really easy to use, so it'd be great for any of you beginner editors out there. You can add text, transitions. Even if you're not a beginner video editor, I think you'll still find some of the features on this program really cool. One of which is the ability to edit on any device, which I think is so awesome, and I definitely could have used this in the past. Sometimes I'm on the go and I'm traveling and I can't carry around my laptop everywhere, so I would have loved to have been able to edit on my phone or my iPad, and with Rush you can do that. Creative Cloud syncs all of your files, events, and projects, so you have access to everything across all of your devices, which that is the future, guys. Like, so futuristic. I don't know why it took us this long to get there, but we are here now, and I'm so excited because it's going to save me a lot of time if I can edit on the go with the tap of my finger. And actually, I really like the phone interface as well. Sometimes with phone apps it can be hard and a little unresponsive, but I don't find any problems with Rush. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you've probably seen some of the videos that I post there. Typically, I'll post sped up, cut down versions of my original larger videos, and those ones I can easily edit on my phone, and I can actually export it directly to Instagram or Facebook. You can publish it directly to social. So yeah, all in all, I've been loving Adobe Rush. It makes things a lot easier and definitely condenses my workflow a little bit. I highly recommend you guys try it out. Some of the features there are pretty cool, especially if you make online videos. So I will leave more information about Adobe Rush in the description box below if you guys want to learn more. I hope this video helps you out or answers any questions you might have had about Adobe Rush. I think that's pretty much it. Thank you again to Adobe. I love working with them because they're just all about the creative and encouraging creative potential, especially for online video creators, which is so awesome. So hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye everyone.